Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present our project. In this title is surveillance drone, and the code is RE0X0. Okay, this is our presentation outline. First, team members. Second, background. Three, job responsibility. Four, project design, and the last, timeline. Okay, this is our team members. My name is Zakiatul Asmi as programmer, and my friend is Hoironisa Aulia as programmer too. Okay, the background context. Our project aims to develop a vision and mapping system for humanoid aerial vehicles capable of environmental monitoring, visual data acquisition, and real-time environmental mapping. The system is developed by utilizing computer image technology, digital data processing, and 3D mapping algorithms to support visual-based monitoring and navigation needs. Okay, this is our job responsibility. I am programming, and my result is create and develop mapping and localization. And my friend is Siva as programming, and she is result is creating and developing detection objects. Okay. This is architecture system for mapping. The system architecture integrates 3D mapping and object detection into a single unified UAV system. The Sony AZ60 camera serves as the primary sensor with a trigger module that controls the image capture interval. The flight controller, this PIXHAW or PAX4, handles flight control and sends trigger signals to the camera. The ground control station provides real-time monitoring via telemetry communication, and this image data is stored on the camera's memory card. Okay, this is a flowcard mapping system. The this flowcard is first start and next to preparing the drone and Sony A6000. And next to mission planning in GCS for trigger camera, and the next upload the mission to the drone. Next to drones, text aerial photos. Next, after drone, after drone take off, take off, transfer photos to a laptop via uh, SD card, and next to import photos into Agisoft Metashape, and if photo high quality, next to align photos, but if no, uh, back to again preparing the drone and Sony A6000. After align photos, this align element didn't work. If no, set parameters and back to align photos. But if yes, next to dense point cloud, build message, build texture, and generate automation. After that, to the result meet your needs. If no, set parameters and back to align photos. But if yes, next to export, and this is the last. Okay, this is a mission planner. This mission planner is use a ground control station to plan, control, and monitor drone flight mission. This is a picture for camera config. This is trigger camera. Uh, when our drone is take off, this camera is auto photo with the trigger camera. And next, this is a mapping system. This is video show the mapping system with a data sheet. The mapping process using a Sony a6000 camera successfully produced an automatic image that comprehensively represents the surrounding environment. This is datasheet, but this is a datasheet for using Sony a6000. And next. Okay, next, continue by my friend Isifa.
This is architecture system for the vision. The system architecture consists of three main parts: data processing system, a flight control system, and a monitoring system. The Jetson Orionano X, the companion computer, receiving image from the camera and running object detection and control algorithm. The processing results are then forwarded to the Pixel PX4 to control the drone's movement. Meanwhile, the GPS module provides positioning information for navigation, while the ground control station monitors the drone through the telemetry radio during the flight. Next. And this is the flowchart. The flowchart workflow begins the drone camera capture the image, the yellow knot, and next yellow knot detects and selects the target position, the position the process begins when the drone camera capture real-time image of the surrounding environment, and the capture image are then processed by the yellow node, where human detected is performed using the yellow V8 algorithm. If no target is detected, the system capture the next frame and repeat the detection process. Otherwise, the system selects the best target and calculates its position based on the center coordinate and the bounding box area. The target information is then sent to the tracker node. In the tracker node, the detected target is first validated. The system can calculate the positioning error along the x-axis, y-axis, and the target distance. These errors are normalized before being forwarded to the control node. In the control node, the system checks whether the target is still visible. If the target is lost, the drone enter hover or search mode until the target is detected again. Otherwise, the PID controller generates control commands for forward, lateral, vertical, and yaw movement. These commands are designed to the PX4 flag system. Within the PX4 flag system, Manfrot forwards the control command to the Pixar flight controller, picks up the control, the ESG, and the motor, enabling the drone to follow the target. After the drone move, the camera capture the next frame, and the entire process repeat continuously, forming a real-time closed loop tracking, and the system will be end. Okay, next. And this is vision process real time in gazebo simulation for human object detected and following the object. The drone will be moved by the PID controller, and then if the human, not human environment around, drone will be landing. Okay, next. And this is our timeline in this part. The for uh, s- for 7 weeks before assessment akhir, we have to the planning uh, for data set preparation, iterative study, and identification department, and for analysis and implementation, we have the processing data set, writing a mapping program, initial training, road to topic testing, camera test, and initial implementation. This is our timeline after ETS. It is we have analysis and implementation. Just analysis and implementation. We doing the evaluation and analysis of stereo camera, integrate the vision system with ROS2, upgrade to the Sony A6000 stereo camera system, and we did detection purpose level image capture with the Sony A6000 camera is autonomous gazebo, which processing of chat and optimism performance, testing and evaluation, and analysis of result and report preparation. Okay, next. For our team, thank you